Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dawn Does Life, and today I wanted to unbox a painting I've had for a while by Lisa Frances Judd. It's called Summer Blooms, and I thought the time was about right. We are getting into that weather, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it out. So this is amongst my stack of paintings that I still need to unbox, and that is what I am trying to do. So I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope the weather is treating you nicely. It has been, I don't know, like it's been both warm and cool here, but I'm not complaining. Come on. I'm not even sure when I got this painting, so I don't know if it's old kit, new kit. Let's just see. Okay, seems like new kit because I'm having trouble getting it out. There we go. So this is a fairly small, it is a square diamond painting. It is 42 by 42. So there is a thumbnail of the picture, and I think I liked how it was just kind of a symmetrical bunch of flowers. I'm not exactly sure when I'll get to this one, but I can't get to it if I don't open it, right? There we go. Okay. It's always fun seeing what they sent. I didn't even see how many colors it was. So that will be on the other. Okay, so it looks like a black sparkly pen and a washi, and it looks like they sent me a little bunny cover minder. So it's got the magnet on the back to help you keep the page up. All square diamond paintings do come with tweezers. And then you get a 4 and a 7 placer. And then the tray has a stopper in it, just to make sure you don't make a mess of your diamonds. I personally don't use the stopper really, but I know some people who swear by it, and that's what it's there for. You also get 2 plates of heart-shaped wax in a container, which is good. Didn't used to be in a container. You get your baggies, so if you don't want to kit up, you can just work straight out of your baggies. And then it looks like limes, maybe a grapefruit of the cover paper, or the washi tape. Huh, interesting. Cute. I'll take it to add to my collection. And I'm just going to put that all back in there until I start working on it. Now let's look at the painting itself. Lots of black, I would imagine. So their canvases are made of a tarpaulin, which likes to settle down quite quickly, so you're not left with really heavy creases in your fabric. I'm just going to roll this because I can, just to make sure. So we've got our drills, our booklet on a little bit of instruction on how to diamond paint, and then there's a code in there, and there's also a QR code so you can download the app as well. And then this is the bigger thumbnail. Yeah, it looks quite black, doesn't it? But that's okay, I kind of like that. And it looks like 25 colors. And no ABs on this one, and that's okay. I'm fine if they don't all have ABs. I think they're pretty sparkly even without them, in my opinion. So, nice. I'm gonna put those off to the side real quick. And then we'll just bring this out. So bottom has their guarantee. It also has their social media links. And then it has the information about the painting, Lisa Frances Judd, Diamond Art Club, 16.5 by 16.5 or 42 by 42. with a small thumbnail at the bottom. And then of course you have your thumbnail at the bottom right and the top left. This is not a large painting at all, so it should be something that you can get through fairly quickly. I would never say what is quick and what is not quick because I don't think I'm quick at all. But look at the flowers, you guys. I think they're actually quite nice. I'm gonna zoom you in so you can see the field. Everything looks really, really clear. I'm not seeing anything that's going to be an issue, I don't think. Let's just do a quick... And of course, if you can hear that, it's super, super sticky. Whoops, I just knocked my camera. Make it straight again if I can. So yeah, the stick factor on it is really, 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 really good. Like, it doesn't even want to let go. So that is good. And I think I'm gonna like that it has a black background and it's gonna make the flowers pop. And let's get these open. Okay. So we will start over here. And we've got 327, 550, 385, or sorry, 3855, 648, 890, 606, 906, what nice greens, 699, 907, I think that's my car color, 3854, 740, 608, oh, they're all twisted, sorry guys, 819, 817, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 610. And then the next one is 701, some more green, 939, 718, 823, 208, 938, 209, 700, 3837, and 3853. So not a huge amount of colors, sorry, amount of drills, but nice kind of poppin' colors. Now, let's just move these off to the side and take one more. Boy, it feels weird to just like fit it all on one. Like if I just lift this up a bit, you should be able to see the whole thing. I think, is that the top? Yeah. Is that the bottom? Yeah. So there you go, you guys. Not bad. I think this will be a quick one. I think it'll be a fun one. And I'm, again, happy or okay with it not having any ABs. It doesn't have really a lot of colors. I think this could be one that could go fast and get bang for your buck in a short amount of time. So Lisa Frances Judd, thanks so much for hanging out with me while I unboxed this pretty little picture. If you liked this video, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. And then as well, if you'd like to subscribe, I would love it if you subscribe. Until then, I'm going to just leave it there. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day whenever you're watching this, however you're watching this, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Bye.